Good evening, traders. I hope you all doing well. Just want to give you another update on natural gas. I have got some messages from traders on my Instagram asking me when I can expect the market to go on point 0.3 or point 0.4, which really worries me, guys, because you guys need to trade with a stop loss. That's my suggestion to you guys. That's your hard-earned money. You need to put your stop loss like here you can see in this type of scenario when the market is very volatile. At least you could be stopped out, get into another good trade. You get more trading opportunities. You don't have to stick in one position and just hoping that the market's going to come back to your point. Always place your stop loss. In the previous video, if you have seen, I have gave the signal that the market is going to hit 5.4431, this level here, which here you can see has been hit today. And if you want to see the full analysis, I'll put the link right up there, so you can see how I estimated this point in that video. So what to expect next from the gas? So before that, let's go and check what I said in my yesterday's video. If the NG breaks above this level, then we'll expect to see the trend continuation back to the channel, retest of this ascending channel before it makes its way up. Yes, exactly. So I've said if the market will break this channel, it will give another high, which it did today. Right now, I can see this level is acting as a support now, which was previously acting as a resistance. Let's grab our Fibonacci tool again and see the next level right here. Like I always calculate, we have this 50% retracement here, which is acting as a resistance here, and here. And here you can see the market has broken above this support, above this channel, and now we have our valid buffer zone here. So right now you can see the market is rejecting this buffer zone once and twice. What I'm expecting to see, if the market rejects this buffer zone again, I'm expecting to see the next point 5.848, and I'll put my stop loss just below 5.232. So that's the case of taking long trade, but just keep an eye. So also keep an eye here. If this candle closes below this level, then we might see a bearish move, a retest of the channel again, and then another move down towards the support of this channel. So just keep an eye on both moves. If you see this candle rejecting this buffer zone here, then we expect to see the market go towards the level which I've just marked. I hope you get some value out of this video, and I hope you have got some value out of my previous videos as well. Again, always trade with your stop losses. That's your hard-earned money, and you don't want to lose all of your money. You don't want to wipe your account. If the market goes against you, at least you have a protection there to stop you out. So always trade with stop loss. That's my suggestion to you guys. So if you have any questions, you can always send me a message on Instagram, or you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now I hope you trade green rest of the week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.